Assalamu alaikum. Mein Name ist Johanna. Ich bin seit 8.3.2019 in der Jamaat. Und ich bitte nur um Gebet für meine Familie.
She is Ahmadi since 8 March 2019 and she is requesting for prayers for her family.
Acha. And how big is her family? She has children?
Ja, 3.
3 children.
And are they married or just young?
Meine Kinder sind verheiratet. Ich habe auch 3 Enkelkinder.
The children are all married and she has also got grandchildren.
Grandchildren? Acha, mashallah. Yes. Acha, any of the other family member has accepted Ahmadiyyat to Islam or not yet?
Nein, haben die noch nicht. Aber die haben nichts dagegen, dass ich Ahmadiyya geworden bin.
They have not yet accepted, but they are also not against her accepting Ahmadiyyat.
All right. She should pray for them so that they also accept. See, if you like, you accepted Ahmadiyyat because you know this is the best way to live the pious life and to please Allah Ta'ala, then she should also try to get her children bring into this fold so that they also accept Ahmadiyyat. And for that, apart from preaching time to time, she should pray to them for them regularly. Right?
Ja, okay, danke.
Okay.
Danke.
Okay, next.